So I just got this Solder Pro 90 butane soldering iron and torch kit, and I have just the project I want to try out on it. So first time I'm opening up this box. Now what we're going to do, hopefully, is make a polished copper ball out of a couple pennies. So let's take a look. Da-na-na-na. Alright, let's see here. Oh, okay. Alright, I think I got the idea. Oh, look, it even comes with some solder. Cool, check that out. Little soldering dispensing tube. Alright. Now, I'm not even going to read the directions. I'm just going to do the typical guy thing and go right into it. Alright, I think we might be filled up there. Looks like a quality deal to me. Got a little kickstand there. Looks like we turn it on this way. Ooh, look how cool that is. I'm going to do that again so you guys can see that. So I'm just flipping this switch and then pushing up on this red one. And you can see up top here, I'm not going to touch it of course, but it starts to glow. Cool. Alright. Before we get started with our doming block and our ball punches, you want to make sure that the pennies you're working with are made before 1983. This one is 1983, and watch what happens when I try to dome it out. Actually, let's use this one. Now you can see, if you look close enough, let's see if I can zoom in here. Just above the head, it's starting to crack. Here's another example. Same thing. You see how it cracks? And that's because this isn't pure copper. It's just a copper-clad zinc disc. So that's not going to work. Okay, 1980. Good. We're getting places. What's up, Grant? Now you want these halves to be flat, so I'm just going to sand them down a little bit. So here they are after the fact. They still need to be soldered together, but I have just a tool to try it, so let's give it a try. Here, we're going to put some flux on here. Thank you, Nellis Air Force Base. Okay, so here's my setup. It's just a wooden parallel clamp and a set of pliers. The pliers have a rubber band on the bottom, and they're going to help hold this together. Okay, let's see what this thing can do. So what I'm doing is heating up just the seam, and I have the soldering iron loaded with solder, and as it heats up I'm just doing a paintbrush action and I'm bringing the solder around to where it needs to go. Get a little more solder. I think that worked great. Take a look at that. Now I'm just going to file off the excess solder. Alright, here's the final result. I'm actually pretty impressed with how that soldering iron worked. It heated up just fine, and you know what? It didn't heat up the rest of the ball as much as I thought it would. So, check it out.